Hey, what's up guys, it's Brennan here, and today we're going to be going over how these dropshipping stores can absolutely make a killing. So we're going to be going over these store examples in today's video, going over exactly what they're selling, what their business model is within dropshipping, what kind of products that they sell on their stores, and exactly how you guys can understand potentially why you may want to do this or why you wouldn't want to do this. So without further ado, let's hop into the computer and jump into these stores. Alright guys, so we are now in the computer. Now the two websites that we're going to be looking at today is Trendy Shack and Dude Gadgets. So these two stores are massive dropshipping stores. Now I know you guys have probably seen these before on a ton of other YouTube videos, but I do want to share with you guys something very important in today's video that I hope will carry and stick with you. So you see these popular stores like Dude Gadgets, right? Or Trendy Shack. Now if you guys haven't seen these stores before, let's just go ahead and copy these domains into myip.ms. This is the site that I use to verify and make sure that sites are actually bringing in a lot of traffic, to make sure and see that they are actually profitable stores. Because if stores are getting like tons and tons of traffic, it probably means that they're converting a certain percentage of those into actual paying customers and sales. So all you have to do is, paste any store you want to into the myip.ms. As you can see, it's a Shopify store, and they get about, 4,900 visitors per day. And if they convert like a certain percentage of that, they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars, pretty much, is what I'm saying here, with that amount of traffic to their site per day, right? It's a lot of traffic. So let's go ahead and copy Dude Gadgets as well, just so that you guys can see that these stores do make a lot of money. As you can see, almost 5,000 visitors as well. So you guys see Dude Gadgets, right? You see these stores that sell these kind of like trendy products. And while it's not necessarily bad to sell popular products, and I definitely recommend you guys actually do that. I mean, this is a huge proponent on this channel. I tell you guys, sell products that sell, right? Sell products that already have people interested in, they look interesting, right? Now, that's a good thing within itself. That's not necessarily inherently bad. You want to sell something like this, right? This Power Floss water jet. Obviously, it sells to the market. It brings a good amount of value, right? The product is good, stuck in a rut, some sort of thing like this. A lot of these products solve people's problems, okay? So that's a good thing, right? You go over to Trendy Shack, you see a bunch of products that are inherently good products. The thing that they are doing wrong, and I stress this to you guys so much within this channel, and if you guys are new to the channel, I hope you just take this away from this video, because you see these stores, right, selling all these types of trendy type products, and it's not bad to sell popular products, but you have to do it in the right way. The thing that these stores are doing wrong, while they may be making a lot of money right now on their front end offers, they might be making a lot of money up front, they are literally eliminating the possibility for someone to want to buy from them again. You know why? Because if you look at the reviews, okay, Dude Gadgets reviews, literally 1 star, 0.5 stars, absolutely terrible. Let's see, Trustpilot, let's see what people have to say. You are a shame to Singapore. Someone from Singapore is like, this is a shame. If I could give 0 stars, I would. Ordered a backpack, took so long, emailed in advance to say that this was the case, asking for a refund, received a reply weeks later, literally 0 customer service there, ignoring and saying that the order is on its way, right? Okay, that's typical. Dropshipping people may do that, or a lot of people don't even respond to these emails. Scam, try and do a claim with PayPal. That is not good business, okay? You don't screw people over in business. That is a surefire way to basically only last for a certain amount of time, while you may have something trendy that's, hot, and then it dies, okay? So take this as a word of warning here. You see this, people saying scam, same boat as everyone, they ordered it, they never got any responses. People, are doing claims through PayPal, pursuing the company legally, as you can see here, right? And people are basically, creating these companies, not taking into account that there are actual real people buying from them. And why would they ever want to buy from them again? If you guys don't know this already, the most costly thing is acquiring a new customer. Once you have a customer, you want to treat them as good as possible. That is just typical business sense, right? And so many people make this mistake, okay? They go out, they make these super trendy stores, they sell a hot product, and then boom, their store dies. Because their product runs out of trendiness as products change. Products in the marketplace will change certain things. and they lose the potential of having repeat customers. Look at Trendy Shack, right? 0.71. And these are a lot of people reviewing this. Trustpilot, let's go to it again. Look at these terrible reviews, okay? Scam, people saying ripped off, never sent the product, all right? And this can happen sometimes if people, buyer beware. And the thing is, dropshipping is not inherently bad, okay? It's a good way to get started within the internet marketing space, right? But the thing that so many of you guys need to understand is you need to actually build a relationship with your customers in order to get repeat, purchases. The reason why Amazon is so amazing is because they are able to ship stuff out fast. And the thing is, if you move away from dropshipping, you can actually do that as well. But if you even are still dropshipping, which like I said, is not a bad thing, you just need to make sure that you're offering good customer service. And actually, all of these people are real people that wanted to buy and are like, oh, they're not very friendly, they're rude, and all that kind of stuff. Like, they're not answering their questions. Like, if you need to have good customer service, especially with dropshipping, if you're dropshipping, you need to have the most amazing customer service to make sure that people understand that their products are still on the way. It's not a bad thing to dropship. People have been doing this for years upon years, right? Shopify is nothing new. It's Shopify dropshipping is nothing crazy. It's a business model that works, but you have to be doing it the right way, which is giving good customer rapport there, helping people out, actually caring about your customers. With places like Trendy Shack and Dude Gadgets, they're basically burning through their customers as fast as they can get them, which in the long run, very, very hard way to do business and actually maintain getting, you're not going to get repeat customers when you're doing marketing like this and running your business that way. It's just not going to happen. And the only reason why Dude Gadgets and Trendy Shack has been able to succeed amongst the crap that they actually put out here in this world is because they have probably an amazing Facebook ad team. But a lot of you guys that are new to this internet marketing stuff, you are not going to be as good at Facebook ads as Dude Gadgets and Trendy Shack are. You just won't be. Most people and the thing is, even if you are really good at Facebook ads, why would you want to run your business that way? It just seems so scammy. Like, why would you want to do that? Just to make money? It's going to be money in the short term, right? You make some short-term money and then poof, it's gone. What is the point of building a business that way, right? So you want to make sure you guys are building businesses that don't get these terrible 0-star reviews, that don't get these terrible, bad reviews because people actually like what you're putting out. You want to make sure that you're actually giving customers value, helping them out, giving them products in the right way so that people want to actually buy from you again and again. It's the whole repeat business is amazing. It's the most expensive aspect is acquiring that customer first, and then you can keep selling to them on the back end and make a lot of money effectively for free. Because once you have the customer, you own their information and you can talk to them, do all that kind of stuff, build a relationship, build rapport. I have a lot of other videos on this channel explaining how you guys can actually do that as well to increase your sales. Because if you're only focusing on this front end hot trendy product, while it's not bad to sell popular products that have good a good value and obviously solve a big problem, it's not bad to do that. But when you run your business like this, where you're not responding to people, you're just blasting people with front end offers, and you don't do anything on the back end, your business is surely going to die over time. So I hope this is a good word of warning to you guys doing dropshipping, because you really, really, really need to focus on this. No matter how many visitors they get, it's so difficult to run a business this way. It's much, much easier to actually get repeat customers and sell to the people you've already sold to. Why wouldn't you do that? It's literally free money. So you might as well take advantage of that. So, I hope this was helpful in some sort of way. Just think about that when you guys are doing your dropshipping stores. It's not inherently bad, but you gotta have good customer service, give good value, and then people will buy from you and you can scale up and make a lot more money. If you guys do wanna learn how to build a profitable Shopify business, I've linked to my course down in the description box below, as well as a Shopify 14-day free trial to go ahead and get yourself started. Feel free to check out the videos beside me, subscribe to the channel, free Facebook mastermind group, and follow me on Instagram. Everything is linked down in the description box below. But anyway guys, that's all for today's video. So I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.